짜파구리가 뭐야?
Take out your pot and ready your timer, cause we are going to show you how to make the tasty Chapaguri or Ramdon from the Oscar award-winning film Parasite. Start by placing the Angus ribeye steak in a mixing bowl. Add the ground black pepper, light soy sauce, and mirin. Toss them to combine and allow to marinate. Meanwhile, add the olive oil and unsalted butter into a pan and heat up over high until lightly smoky. Then, add in the garlic and saute briefly. Now add the steak into the pan and sear until nicely browned. Set aside the steak and reserve the pan with the oil and butter. Next, pour some water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Add in the Chapagetti and Neoguri noodles, then boil for 2 minutes until al dente. Once cooked, strain the noodles and set aside. Into the same pot, add the carrots. Blanch them for about a minute. Set aside, then reserve some of the noodle water. Now go back to the pan with the oil and butter and transfer the noodles. Add the blanched carrots next, then pour in the noodle water. Give it a bit of a stir before adding in the Chapagetti and Neoguri soup base. Stir it well until the soup base is distributed and the sauce lightly thickens. You may add more noodle water if needed. Then, turn off the heat and toss in the steak before placing it on a serving plate. Garnish with chopped scallions before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.